Good morning everyone! For today's video po ay magpapakain po tayo ng aming alagang koi fish at saka isang janitor. At makakaalin naman po talaga nilang panoorin guys habang nalangoy. At yung naiwan po natin mga koi fish ay isang ayan orange at saka dalawang puti at saka isang janitor. Makakaalin talaga silang panoorin habang nalangoy. And that's all for today's videos mga guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye everyone.